Hey everyone, my name is Annelle and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is inspired by the fact that after 2 months, I finally have a work from home option at work. Yay! So I wasn't given that option before because my job is mainly site-based and having all the establishment closed didn't really give me something to do. My job was also somewhat closed in a way. Right now, I'm very thankful to be given this opportunity to work from home, and given that I was inspired to do this lazy everyday makeup look, which is actually basically the same thing that I do every day when I used to go to work in the office. I took it upon myself to at least try to look decent, or at least give me that feel of getting ready for actual work instead of like just looking like a bum while working, lol. You know, just so it could give me some sort of normalcy in my routine in this very uncertain time. So, haba ng kwento. But yeah, if you want to see how I did this lazy everyday makeup look, then just keep on watching. Oh, I'd also just like to note that all the products that I use for this video is locally available or made by local brands, so yay! So yeah, let's get into it. On cam it kind of looks too white or a bit washed out. It's because this look isn't really meant for flash photography or for events, because I promise you, if you take photos while wearing that foundation, you will have a white cast. So it's just an everyday makeup look to protect your skin while giving it this glowy boost in a way. Basta, I really like that IV foundation cream because it gives me coverage and it gives me SPF 40, which is, you know, always good to have SPF. And yeah, init. Whenever I film, I have to turn off the fan, turn off the aircon, because it gives this ringing noise at the back of video. So yun, pawis na ako. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye guys!